Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and today I have a challenge lock pinned by my good buddy Mr. Big Willy The Locksmith, and it's a 6-pin Schlage. There's the bitting on the key, a little up-down action, sawtooth. Does work the lock. It's got a little clickety to it, but nothing major. My bird's wanting to talk with us today, so we might have to put up with him. But I bet we'll be just fine. Okay. So let's, always gonna whistle. Well, I hope we don't get too crazy. We'll start off with a short hook that I made with the, spalded burl. And we'll see if we can get this thing open, huh? I don't know what this is all about here. It's a little off center, see? So I don't know. Maybe it's kind of showing you where it would be, I don't know, false set? I don't know. I don't know what it's about. Anyhow, we're going to see if we can get it open. So I can get better light on it, of course. There we go. Alright, birdie. Gotta concentrate here. There's 5, 6. 6 a little more, yeah. Oh, there's a lot. 6 almost put it straight up, so it dropped it into a nice deep false set. We'll keep on from there. Oh, 1 gave us a little movement. Trying to get pin 1 set right. That one gave us a little more movement. This thing seems to be kind of bouncing in the vise a bit more than I'd like to see. I'm gonna get a little longer hook here. There we go, medium hook. It feels like right there, I don't know. I bet it's a T-pin we're hung up on. I probably overset one. I think there's a little more drop. There we go. Yep. Had overset it a bit. But we're in. Pan on down a touch here. Let's get this out. Get my lights and all. There we go. Yeah. Let's see if we can get it gutted properly here without screwing up too bad. Right? We don't want to do that. Spinning tray. Okay. Is this spinning tray? See if we can get it open, huh? quick set follower I got here. I'm going totally backwards here. I'm usually going the other direction. We'll see from there. You know what? I hear you screaming at me. Let's see if we can shim this thing. Alright, Lester. I don't like that little stubby or skinny little shim. Here's a better one. Good enough. Let's go with it. Yay! Alright. Here's our key pins. All of them in and working. Number 6 looks a little lower than it should be. Probably why it was hanging up a touch. Yeah. Alright. Doesn't look like anything done to them bottom ones, but let's dump them out and see. Standard, 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 and standard. Bunch of standards. Come on already. You can look at these. I'll show these key pins up close, so you can really look at them and see how they've been really used on. And we've got one pin chamber there, undercut. Let's see what he's got up top side. Number 1 is a T-pin. I think you named this one Tea Party, I'm not sure. Dr. T-pins, yep. Two is a T-pin, a tiny little nipple. That's what was holding us up. These tiny little T-pins. It's like all the pins are the same, or all the springs are the same. Alright, I'm gonna show you all my nasty fingernails. No, that was the last one. Yep. All the rest of them are all copper. Yep. Cool. Anything down up top? I don't think so. Hadn't been gotten into. Let's get in on these pins, huh? Done some pretty cool cutting on these. Let me find it here. There it is. Done some really cool cutting on them. Nice job. Step down Christmas tree. I call that one the mini nipple. And he's got the Texas 2-step here. With 2 little steps and a little hair from the gunk. And 1 step. A little hook to it. There's a deeper 1 step. And another about the same depth. One with a spool in it, even. Yep. And of course a wandering cat hair. Alright. Well, there we have it. That is Dr. T-pins from my buddy Big Willy the Locksmith. I thank you, Big Willy, for sending me, or whoever sent it to me. But thank you, Big Willy, for pinning it up, and whoever who sent it to me. Thank y'all so very, very much. And I'll sign off with that. So y'all please stay safe, and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, till we meet again, peace.